Sorry for the trouble. I am Dr. Narayan Rao, doctor, author and freelance journalist. Okay. My three books are published in Kannada and one is published in Hindi. To some extent, I am a national level author. Okay. I don't need, first of all I want to say that I don't need illegal earning. Okay. I don't want illegal earning. I am an honest person. So, now let us see about the subject varicocele in English. Today's subject is varicocele in English language. You see so many videos are there in Hindi, but in English there are very few videos. So, let us cover it in English. Varicocele is just a disease related with testicle. We know every man is having 2 testicles. Okay. Out of them, if they are weakened, we will lose our potency. We will become sterile. We cannot produce children. Our sperm count will decrease. Okay. So it is a most dangerous disease and most important disease. Here what happens? There will be some dysfunction. There will be some imbalance in supply of blood to the testicle. Blood will be supplied to the testicle, but in the veins, when the blood returns to heart, there will be some obstruction. There will be some congestion. Means, we know there is a wall. Wall means there is a wall in the veins. In all the veins there are walls. Those walls are not being opened perfectly. Suppose this is the closed style. This is the opening style. So, the veins walls are not opened properly. Blood is supplied to testicles, but the same blood should return to the heart, isn't it? So, there is some problem in the returning system. So, we can easily say there is some dysfunction in blood flow. There is some dysfunction in blood flow. Okay. So, what happens when the blood is not supplied to the heart properly? When it is not returning to the heart properly, it becomes thickened. It becomes enlarged. The veins become enlarged because walls are not being opened properly in the veins. So that is called varicocele. There is no more difference between varicocele and varicose veins. in case of varicocele, there will be dysfunction in supply of blood to the testicle. In varicose veins, there is some dysfunction in the legs, in our legs. So properly, there will be some dysfunction in the returning way to the heart. Varicose veins means due to gravity, blood will flow to leg. Of course, it is right. It will flow accurately, but it won't return to the heart properly. That's all. That is called varicose veins. So in this case, we are studying about varicocele. Varicocele means dysfunction of blood supply to testicle. So what may happen due to this? So testicle may become small in size. In size, it may become small. And in reproductory system, sperm count may be decreased. Sperm count may be decreased. Or there will be some other problem in the sperm. It may not have proper tail. The sperm may not have proper tail. Sperm count will be low, may be low. So, and there will be no sexual desire to men who are suffering from varicocele. Okay? It is being seen. In the world it is being seen probably in Hamalis or who are going to gym. Means by lifting weight, more and more weight, by lifting more and more weight, there are the chances of getting varicocele disease. So this is commonly found reason for varicocele. So how can we find out that there is some problem in varicocele? By ultrasound scanning of, what do we say, scrotum. Ultrasound scanning of scrotum, we will come to know there is problem in testicle. In the problem of in the veins of testicle. So, it is not an ordinary disease. So it is a tougher one. It should be taken seriously. Those who are going to gym, they too have to understand all this. They should not go to lift the weight. They should not lift weight. Of course, other exercise can be done other than weight lifting. And in we say Hamalis, those who are lifting the weight means grain bags. You see, it may be of 75 kg or 100 kg. Such weight grains bag will be lifted by Hamalis or the laborers. So such people may have the problem of varicocele. So for one of the reasons for varicocele is weighting the lift. Or those who are doing the job of lifting weight may become varicocele patients. It will be identified. It may be what we say, diagnosed by scrotum ultrasound scanning. Okay, so what is the remedy for this? In homeopathy, there are few medicines who are working very well for varicocele and at the same time for varicose veins also. Varicose veins doesn't have more problem. It doesn't give any problem. But varicocele is dangerous, very dangerous, because it brings impotency. It brings nervousness. It reduces sperm count. It reduces the quality of sperms. So we can say there may be erectile dysfunction. There may be erectile dysfunction. So it is a most serious disease to men, especially to men, not to ladies, especially to men. It is a dangerous, it is a serious defect, it is a serious disease, so we should be very, very careful. Okay, so our gym going student people should avoid it. They have to get rid of weightlifting, or they have to stop weightlifting exercise, and other exercises they can do it as usually. Okay, so here now we can say, what is homeopathic remedy? Homeopathic remedy is that is Calcarea fluorica, Hamamelis, Pulsatilla, Rustox, Arnica. If there is pain in testes, then Rustox, Arnica should be given. But in 90% varicocele patients, there will be no pain. Pain is not experienced. So, whatever may be, if there is problem in left side testes or testicle, lachesis is a good medicine. Generally we are seeing more and more left side testicle problem. More and more left side testicle problem. Okay, so in case of varicocele, if sperm count reduces, radium bromatum is a good medicine. Along with that, we can give Agnus castus, Lycopodium and selenium for the increase of sperm count. Okay, so saying this much, I will put an end to my speech. So varicocele problem is described. I feel you are happy, you became happy by knowing all these things. And if you are a weightlifter, please be careful. It may bring you impotency. It may make you sterile. Sterile in the sense, the person who doesn't have sperms. It doesn't mean he is impotent or he is suffering by hypogonadism or like that. Okay, so you should be very, if you are going to gym, while weightlifting, you should be very careful that one day your weightlifting habit may cause varicocele. Okay? So saying this much, I will put an end to my speech. Varicocele. About varicocele, I kindly request you all to subscribe my channel, to like my videos and encourage me. I am honest, okay, and I don't want illegal earning. Saying this much, I will put an end to my speech to the varicocele subject. Wish you all the best. Have a good day.